Do I need to have a logo first? Or maybe I should start building my website. Wait, what am I gonna sell? Starting a business is hard. Let's face it, if it was that easy, everyone would be doing it. There are a lot of moving parts that go into building a thriving business, and it's easy to get lost along the way. Plus, where do you even start? Hello everyone, my name is Natasha and I'm your host for Tailor Brand's Business Lab, where we talk about everything you need to help you build your business. Today, we're starting with the basics, how to start a business. If you're watching this, you're going to be given a step-by-step guide on how to start your very own business. Just to let you know, all the related links to help you start your business are included in the video description below. Step 1. Discover your idea. All businesses start from an idea, but you want your idea to transform into a thriving business, which will take a little bit of brain power on your end. When thinking of your idea, you want to make sure if it fits the type of business and lifestyle you want. Like, there's no point opening a dog walking business if you're not into exercising. So it's important that your idea connects with you. Next, think about how your idea will come to life. Will you be having your own product, reselling products, having a private label? There are a ton of different ways that your idea can become a business, and it depends on what industry you want to enter. For example, owning a candle business is very different from reselling skincare. But don't freak out. That's why we have step number 2. Research your product or service and audience. Okay, I want to say something. I know you're going to spend 5 minutes doing the research and you'll think it'll be enough, but trust me, it won't be. You got to dig deep. You're a detective on a mission for info. So take those skills you learned from creeping your crush on Instagram and put them to good use. I know you've been creeping. Before you take one step further and start researching, you need to understand what to focus on. So you'll need to look at a few things. Your audience, your competition and general market, and how your product will fit into all of this. Let's talk about audience research first. Audience research refers to researching a group of potential customers. By knowing who your audience is, you'll be able to make better decisions that align with their needs, reduce your marketing efforts, and increase revenue. Knowing your audience is a big deal. So to start audience research, you'll want to create a buyer's persona. Think of it like a write-up about your ideal customer. Who are they? What do they love to do? Where do they like to spend their time online? And what's important to them? By getting to know this information, you'll have an idea of the customers you'll need to connect with via marketing. You can also get information about potential customers from analyzing your competition. Competitor research is when you look at other businesses in your industry and see what they sell, who they sell to, and how you can stand out from them. So pick 5 to 10 competitors and go through their website and social media profiles to get as much information about their products and services, business premise, and audience demographics. Then, with all this information, you'll be able to see where your audience spends their time online and how you can position your product or service to get the attention it needs. Step number 3, create a business plan. Okay, you'll probably want to skip this step 2, but don't do it. Before you can get to the fun part of creating services and products and marketing them, you need to build the foundation of your business, and this will determine your success. Having a business plan has multiple roles. A business plan is a document that outlines how your business will run. But you can also use this document to help secure funding from a bank or other lenders. Your business plan should include the following: an overview of your business, a detailed description of your business and why it exists, information about your industry and target market, products and services you offer, your marketing plan, how your business will operate, including your equipment, shipping, and supplies, and your financial plan, which will go over how much it'll cost you to start your business, where you'll be getting the funding from, profit margins, etc. I know it sounds like a lot, but don't worry. You can read our article about how to create a business plan in the link posted in the description below. So after you've done all the paperwork, it's time to do step number 4, build your business. Think of the business plan and audience research as the house to your business. Now it's time to fill your house with things. First things first, decide if your business will sell a product or service. Once you've figured that out, you can either do the following. Number 1, create your own product or find a supplier and resell existing products or services. If you're creating your own product, make sure you adhere to legal requirements your product may have to follow. If you're selling an existing product or service, decide which business model is best for you. Do you want to do drop shipping, print on demand, wholesale? Once you have that figured out, it's time to deal with shipping. Research various shipping services and see what's the best option for you. Then there's option number 2, provide your own service. Whether you're interested in opening a dog walking business or nail salon, you're providing a service. If you're choosing to become a service provider, then you'll need to decide on the business model that you want. Will it be an online service or in-person service? Step number 5, register your business. You've done all the hard work and you're finally here. The last thing you need to do is register your business. Depending on where you do business, the rules may vary, so double check with your state. If you're in the US, you'll need to decide on a business structure. You can choose from being a sole proprietor, LLC, S Corp, DBA, and more. After you've decided, register your business within your state. Additionally, to protect yourself and your business, you may want to consider getting business insurance. Step number 6, set it up. Okay, so what do I mean by this? You need to set up how customers are going to receive their product or service. So let's break this down into 2 categories: selling a product versus selling a service. If you're selling a product, then you're going to need to set up shipping and a payment system online. Thankfully, there are tons of shipping companies and apps that can help streamline the process. Don't forget to factor in shipping costs. You can either offer free shipping and include the cost in the retail price, or have customers pay for shipping separately. Choose whatever you think is best for your business. If you're offering a service or selling a digital product, you don't need to worry about shipping, but setting up a payment system is crucial. For payment systems, most website builders have a payment system built in. And for WordPress, you can also use plugins like WooCommerce that will connect your website to a payment gateway. Don't worry, we have a blog about it in the video description below. Also consider setting up a booking system. You can do this on your social media profiles as well as your website. That way people can easily reach out to you and book an appointment. So you have your foundation, you figured out your business model, how your customers will receive their products and services, and how you'll get paid. Now what? Say hi to step number 7. Develop a brand and marketing strategy. Your brand is the reason why someone buys from you. It's the emotional element of your business that encourages people to react emotionally. To build a brand that connects with customers, you'll need to know who you are and what you sell, know what you stand for, which will be shown in the mission statement, brand values, and promise, your unique selling proposition. In other words, why customers should choose you, your brand story, which is the reason why you do what you do today, your brand voice, which is the tone and language you'll use to connect to your customers, and your visual brand identity, which is including your logo, brand name, and style guide. Once you have all these elements answered, you'll have your brand strategy. From there, you can go on to step 8, which is launching your business. You have everything you need to bring your business to life. Now you're at the final stage where you know what you want to sell, why you want to sell, and how you're going to sell. Your business may be physical or online, but either way, you're going to use your brand strategy to help craft the perfect space for your business. And don't forget, just because you have a physical business doesn't mean you can skip out on having an online presence. Your business should have a Google business profile so you appear in Google search results. If you're launching a website, there are tons of e-commerce website builders, including Tailor Brand's website builder, that will showcase your products and services. Check out our next video here on how to run a business. For all related blog articles to help you start your business, check out the links in the video description below.